everyone, welcome back to another video. For today's tutorial, I'll be teaching you how to lock or unlock keyboard in Windows 11 and 10. To lock your keyboard, click on the search bar below, then type Control Panel and open it. Click on Ease of Access and choose Ease of Access Center. Navigate to the Make Your Keyboard Easier to Use and then open it. Check the box beside the Turn On Filter keys and click the Apply button below and then OK. After that, press and hold the right Shift key on your keyboard for about 8 seconds to lock it. To unlock the keyboard, simply press and hold again the Shift key on your keyboard. If this doesn't work, go to your control panel again and simply uncheck the box beside the Turn On Filter keys and click the Apply button. Now you can use your keyboard once again. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe. If you have any questions, drop them below and we'll see you on the next video.